Today we are unboxing Pokemon GO Dragonite Vstar and discussing other types of games similar. This has one etched foil promo card featuring the Dragonite Vstar, one foil promo card featuring the Dragonite 5, and one deck holder shaped like a Premier Ball, 9 Pokemon GO booster packs, and a code card for Pokemon TCG Live, which I'm going to discuss more later. Well, let's open it up. Wow. This is awesome. This is a Premier Ball, alright. They have these in Pokemon GO, and this is amazing looking. Alright, so I put that down. And then we have our Pokemon trading card game, Pokemon GO, 10 additional game cards. Alright, here's all the packs lined up. And of course our one Dragonite 5 card, which is 230 health, Hyper Beam, and Buster Tail. We will not be opening that one. We're keeping it in the plastic. So we are opening this pack, and let's see what's in there. Now, Pokemon cards are interesting because they are physical cards you can hold and play with. Just like a lot of developing games online where you can actually own the cards, have commercial rights to them, and do what you want with them. But let's get into Pokemon some more, and we'll talk about that more later. Now, this is an Onyx base. Ooh, it has a really nice feel to it. A basic Onyx, 120 health. Rock Tomb and Raging Swing. Not bad. You can see that. 4 stars. Retreat. Weakness. It's grass times 2 resistance. Not bad at all. It's a very nice Onyx card. And we can put it in our physical Premier Ball holder. Let's open that up. So, like a real Pokeball is supposed to, you just pop it open, like so. And here we go. You can then put your Pokemon card inside. On to the next card. It's a rare candy. Choose one of your basic Pokemon and play. If you have a Stage 2 card in your hand that evolves in that Pokemon, put that card on the basic Pokemon to evolve it, skipping the Stage 1. Can't use this card during your first turn or basic Pokemon that was put into play this turn. Now, that's awesome because what I like is a developing type of thing that's very similar to this. It's digital gaming cards, and you can do very similar things. You can transform the characters and other things that aren't exactly digital cards are very similar. You can transform them and use them differently while keeping the original form as well. And we'll talk about that a little more. So, this is Charmeleon, 90 HP, 30 Scratch, and Flamethrower 100, a 2 out of 4 stars. And it's not great, but hey, it's nice. 2-star Retreat. All right. And, ooh, we got an Egg Incubator. Flip coin. If heads, search your deck for a basic Pokemon, put it onto your bench, and shuffle your deck. If tails, put this Egg Incubator on the bottom of your deck instead of in the discard pile. Nice. And this one, ooh, this looks awesome. It's an energy card. That is epic. And, oh, hologram coming up. Here is our Slay King. He's kind of lazy, but he has heavy impact. 230 HP, and his heavy impact is 260. With his ability, is kind of lazy, but yeah. Even he's always kind of lazy, he's still got strong power. All right, now let's keep going. Ooh, this one's nice. It is a Magikarp. And it is search your deck for any number of Magikarp, reveal them, and put them into your hand. Then shuffle your deck. This attack does 30 more damage for each Magikarp and Gyarados in your discard pile. Very cool. Very similar to digital collectibles that can do similar things, but digitally online, and some of them give you physical cards as well, which give you the ownership, so you could take this card, for instance, Slaking here, and you could modify it, put it on a shirt, sell it, but you can't do that with Pokemon. So, of course, with digital collectibles, they're a very new thing, and that area is still evolving, so there's a lot of scammers out there with similar to fake Pokemon card scammers, so you got to be careful with what you buy. So here's Apom, 60 HP, 1-star Bustle, and a 3-star Slap of 30. Not bad. Not bad at all. Cards feel really nice, by the way, especially the hologram card. They got a nice texture to them. Another Magikarp. And ooh, nice. Bibarel, a reassuring dam. As long as this Pokemon is on your bench, cards in your deck can't be discarded by effects of your opponent's attacks. Ooh, that's nice, really cool. Abilities, items, cards, or supporter cards. 3 stars, hammer in, 80 points. With a health of 110. Gotta love the way these feel. And here's a Meltan. 2-star Thundershock, 70 HP, flip a coin. If heads, your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. Now, we aren't going to open all these cards today. We're going to save those for other videos. But I hope you keep listening to our channel about digital collectibles and Pokemon cards and the similarities. Digital collectibles are also known as NFTs. Hope you subscribe, like this video, and comment if you have anything to say. Bye.